In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email sign-up forms in Brevo tutorial. If you are trying to collect new subscribers from your website, a form is the best place to start. In this tutorial, you will create a sign-up form inside Brevo, customize it so it matches your style, and then embed it on your site using the provided HTML. First, go to Marketing, then find and open Forms. This area is where Brevo lets you build forms for collecting leads. When you click into Forms, you should see an option to start creating a new form, along with any forms you have already built in the past. Next, click Create a new form. This begins a fresh setup, so you are not editing an older template. Once you do this, Brevo will usually load the form builder, which is where you create the fields and the layout. Take a moment to look around so you understand where the editor is located and where the preview will appear. Now use the drag and drop editor to add fields like first name and email. The editor is designed so you can simply place elements onto the form. As you add fields, make sure the key information you need is included. For email marketing signups, the email field is essential, and adding first name is useful for personalization. While you are placing these fields, also customize colors and styling. This helps the form feel consistent with your branding and improves the overall experience for visitors. After you finish the layout and style, choose the contact list for new subscribers. This is an important step because it determines where Brevo will store and organize the people who sign up. Then configure your opt-in preference. In other words, you are deciding how the subscription consent should work, which helps ensure the sign-up aligns with your email policies. When you set this correctly, new subscribers will land in the right list with the correct consent status. Next, select your success message or set up a custom thank you page redirect. This is what visitors will see after they submit the form. If you have a specific page you want people to visit next, you can redirect them there. If you prefer a simpler experience, a success message can confirm that their sign-up was received. Either choice helps the visitor feel confident that the process worked. Once the form looks and behaves the way you want, click Save and then select Activate to finalize. Saving keeps your changes, and activating makes the form ready to use. At this stage, it is a good idea to double-check that your fields, styling, list selection, and opt-in settings are all correct. A quick review here prevents issues later when you embed the form on your website. Finally, copy the provided HTML code and paste it into your website's editor where you want the form to appear. The HTML snippet is what connects your website to the Brevo form. When you paste the code, place it in the section of your site where you want the sign-up form visible, such as a landing page, blog sidebar area, or a dedicated contact or newsletter section. After you paste it, publish or save your page so the changes go live. To wrap things up, you created the form in Brevo, customized the fields and appearance, selected the correct list and opt-in settings, set a success experience, activated the form, and embedded it using the HTML code. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.